Hi friends, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. In my last video already we cover how to find square root by prime factorization, and today in this video we will do some more questions, more examples for our practice. So let's start. First question, to find square root of 9216, and the first step to prime factorization means factorized with prime numbers. So let's start. Do factorize 9216. At the time of prime factorization you have to follow all the divisional rule, all the divisional property of any numbers. So here first 9216 is divisible by 2 because its unit place contains 6. So here 2 divides 9216 and this is 8. Again it contains 8 at its unit place, so again it is divisible by 2. Again it is divisible by 2. Now 9 is left over, and you know 9 is an odd number, so it can't be divisible by 2. So next check for the next prime numbers divisional property. Here already we have divided by 2, the smallest prime number. Right now 9 is a composite number but it is not divisible by 2. So let's check it for number 3, whether 9 is divisible by 3 or not. And you know 3 table contains 3 3s are 9, so 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Now finally 9216 is divided by the help of prime numbers 2 and 3. Last remaining 3 is a prime number, so we cannot further divide by any prime numbers because now 3 is a prime number. So if you divide by 3, then the result will be 1. So it is not necessary to further divide because last one is a prime number. So now write 9216 square root is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 into 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 last one contains twice 3, double 3, 3. And already we know to make a group of, to make a pair of two such a numbers, same numbers. So 2 is 2, 2 is 2. So here make a pair. So it will be 2, this 2, 2, 2, 2. And another clue already had told that and if a number contains even number multiples, then yes, it is a perfect square. And here we make perfect grouping. No more numbers, no more prime numbers remain ungrouped. So here we make a perfect group of number of groups as 6 and number of factors are 12. So now extract one of each group, one of the number of each group. Here from these two take 1 2 2 2 2 into 2 into 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We take 6 numbers from 6 groups. Now multiply the result. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are 96. So the square root of 9216 is 96. This is your answer. The next check it for 10,404. 10,404. To evaluate the value of 10,404, again 10,404. Now factorize it by prime numbers 2 because it contains even numbers at its unit place 5202, then 2601 1 3 sorry it contains 1 at its unit place. 1 is an odd number, so it cannot be further divisible by 2. So let's take it by number 3. So here 3 8 are 24 and the remaining 2 3 6 are 18 3 7 are 21. Then further let's check for 3 because it cannot divisible by 2. 3 2 8 9. Now check this number 289 is divisible by 2 or 3 or 5 or any prime numbers. So here the sum of these digits of this number, here the number is 289 and the digits are 289. If you add the digits, the sum of these digits cannot divisible by 3, so this number is not divisible by 3. So further check it for 5. You know divisible property of 5 that if it contains 0 or 5 at its unit place, then it is divisible by 5. So it is not divisible by 5 because it contains 9. It is not 0, not 5, it is 9, so it is not divisible by 5. Similarly check for 7 11 13 prime numbers. Finally this number is divisible by 13. 17. This number is divisible by 17. It is not divisible by 2 3 5 7 11 13. Finally it is divisible by 17. So here you note the 289 is the square of 17 and 17 is a prime number, so we cannot furthermore factorize this number 17. Okay, you can write here 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 17 into 17. Again I repeat it. First check all the divisible property. Here 10,404 is divisible by 2, then 5,202 it is also divisible by 2. But when the result is 2,601, it is not divisible by 2 because it contains an odd number at its unit place. Then proceed with 3. Then the remaining number is 289. When we divide 3 by 2 times, divided by 3 2 times, then the remaining last result is 289, which is not divisible by 2 3 5 7 11 13. Finally it is divisible by 17 and the last one is 17, which is a prime number, so we cannot further divided by any number. So now we write here the factorize and here check the numbers of prime numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 numbers of factors, so it is a perfect square. Let's group it. 2 into 2 3 into 3 and 17 into 17. And here extract one of the number from each group. Here there are 2 2's, there are 2 numbers. Take one numbers, then 3 and then 17. Here this is 17 3s are 51, 51 2s are 102. The square root of 10,404 is 102. Then let's check it for 2025 and it takes unit place as 5, so it is divisible by 5. So here 4 0 5. Again it is divisible by 81. The sum of these two digits 8 and 1 is 9, so 81 is divisible by 3. So you can write here 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Make such a pair like before already we have done. Group of same numbers 5 into 3 into 3. This is 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45. The square root of 2025 is 45. Then next we check for 2601. 2601. It contains 1 at its unit place, so it cannot divisible by 2. Then let's check it for 3. 3 8 are 24, remaining 2, 20, 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21. 3, this is 289. Then let's check it for 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and finally it is divisible by 17, because 289 is the square of 17. 17 is 289. So here 3 into 3 into 17 into 17. 2601 can be expressed as the product result of 4 factors, 4 prime numbers. 3 into 3 into 17 into 17. Make pairs of these numbers and then extract one of numbers from each group. 3 into 17, which is 51. 3 into 17 is equal to 51. And the last example for you, 9604. Square root of 9604. 9604. It contains 4 at its unit place, so it is divisible by 2. This is 4802. Again it is divisible by 2. 2401. And here now check it for 3, because it is not divisible by 2. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 3. This number is not divisible by 3. And then next check it for 5. It contains 1 at its unit place, so it is not divisible by 5. Then the next prime number is 7. So here check for 7. 7 3s are 21, remaining 30. 7 4s are 28, 21. 7 3s are 21. Again this number check for 2. It is not divisible by 2. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 10. It is not divisible by 3 and also not divisible by 5. So next check for 7. It is 49. And you know 7 into 7 is 49. 49 is the square of 7 and 7. So here 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Put a square root mark on it. Then make group of same numbers. Okay, 2 into 7 into 7, which is 7 7 ja 49. 49 into 2, which is 98. So here in this video we do some more practice, we do some more examples for our practice for our better result. In my next video we'll study another methods to find square root, which is long division method. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.